left or after the last option before your turn. But if there's a couple driveways really close together, we're going to go left here at this light, then, as long as no one's sticking out of the one, then it doesn't matter, right? So check anybody coming or anybody crossing, and then you want a left shoulder check too, because check in the crosswalk, right? Okay, let's go right at this corner. Good. Keep flowing, try not to stop or slow down to a crawl. Good. So the perfect turn is in slow, out with flow, right?
Okay.
So as long as you're not hitting it too fast on the outside, then you should be tidy. But what happens is people come in so fast that then they're braking all the way around the corner, and then they're stopped on the other side of the corner instead of on their way out,
Causes
Yeah,
shock.
Buggers up things. Let's go left at this one. So again, nobody's coming or crossing, so you don't have
If she's far enough back, I don't
wait. Yeah, she's
wait.
too far away, don't wait.